Tinnitus is a phantom noise, often caused by damage to the tiny hair cells in the inner ear. Since these cells are responsible for sending sound signals to the brain, their loss leads the brain to compensate by generating phantom noises. This means that tinnitus is not just an ear problem, it is also a neurological one. So how do you address not only the inner ear, but also the brain? Red light therapy is gaining increasing popularity in the treatment of hearing loss and tinnitus. It not only improves blood circulation, promoting the healing of cells in your ear, but also stimulates your brain. By reaching the brain, red light triggers the release of signal molecules that help minimize the perception of tinnitus. In other words, red light repairs damaged cells in your ear and compensates for the missing sound signals sent to your brain. Over time, this process can reduce the brain's tendency to create phantom noise, meaning you will hear less ringing week by week. Imagine a life where you can fall asleep without the constant buzzing in your head. A life filled with the joy of listening to conversations without disturbance. Try it now and experience the relief for yourself.